Looking for the best vacuum to keep your hardwood floors spotless in 2024? We've got you covered. Today, we'll dive into the top models that are perfect for hardwood surfaces, so you can make the best choice for your home. Hit the subscribe button, give a thumbs up or down, and comment about which one is best for you. Okay, let's get started. Number 1. Shark Detect Pro Cordless. This is our top-rated cordless vacuum, and while it may not be the absolute best for hardwood floors, it excels at cleaning both hard floors and carpets. Its ability to automatically adjust power based on floor type ensures thorough cleaning across all surfaces, and its LED headlights make it easy to spot trouble areas, though they are not as bright as those on the Dyson. Our reviewer found the flexible wand especially useful for cleaning under furniture and in corners. The optional auto-emptying base station adds convenience by eliminating the need to manually empty the dustbin. However, it lacks the suction power of corded vacuums and comes with limited attachments, including just a crevice tool and no dedicated hard floor head. Number 2. Dyson Gen 5 Detect. This is the brand's most advanced and expensive vacuum, making it a top contender for those with a bigger budget. Its standout feature is the fluffy optic cleaner floor head, designed specifically for hardwood floors. This super soft, washable brush roll works gently on your floors, while the laser illumination helps you spot dust and dirt you might otherwise miss. Paired with exceptional suction power, it excels at cleaning hard surfaces. However, in our review, we found the Gen 5 Detect to be somewhat heavy and awkward to use in handheld mode. While it offers impressive features like real-time monitoring via an LCD screen, this might be overkill for those just looking for a basic cleaning tool. If you don't need all the extras, other Dyson models, like the V15 Detect, offer great performance at a lower price. Number 3. Shark Stratos Corded Stick. Corded vacuum cleaners may not offer cordless freedom, but they provide superior suction power and eliminate concerns about battery life. If you're looking for an affordable model that performs well on hardwood floors, the Shark Stratos Corded Stick Vacuum is an excellent choice, known as the Shark Stratos Corded Stick Pet Pro in the UK. It features an LED-lit floor head with 2 brush rolls, one with bristles for carpets and a soft fabric one for hard floors. The Stratos excels at picking up everything from fine dust to larger debris. Its odor neutralizer technology also leaves floors smelling fresh. The modular design lets you use it as both a stick and handheld vacuum, making it versatile and easy to maneuver. However, the small, fiddly dust canister can be a bit annoying during deep cleaning. Number 4. Ecovacs Debot T20 Omni. A robot vacuum like the Ecovacs Debot T20 Omni is a huge time saver, offering effortless regular cleaning. While it may have less suction than manual vacuums and isn't ideal for deep cleaning, it's perfect for maintaining clean hardwood floors. Unlike many robot vacuums, the Debot T20 Omni can also mop, making it a versatile option for more demanding tasks. It does an excellent job of both vacuuming and mopping without leaving streaks or water pools, thanks to its spinning mopping pads that apply pressure and lift off when not in use. The base station even washes the pads with hot water, ensuring they don't just spread dirt around. However, it's pricey and not great at cleaning edges, so you'll still need a full-sized vacuum for occasional deep cleaning. But for hardwood floors, it's one of the best robot vacuums available. Number 5. Samsung Jet 85. If you have pets and hardwood floors, the Samsung Jet 85 is a top contender for keeping your home clean. This vacuum excels at picking up pet hair and dirt, especially with its complete version, which features a cleaning head designed for hard floors. The powerful Jet mode delivers impressive suction, though the lower settings are more than sufficient for cleaning hardwood floors without being too intense. Its maneuverability allows it to easily glide under furniture, and it works well in handheld mode too. The vacuum also includes a 5-step filtration system, making it a great option for allergy sufferers. The dustbin is spacious and easy to empty without much hassle. While the Samsung Jet 85 isn't available in the US, the Samsung Jet 75 offers similar performance at a comparable price. So, which vacuum is the best? After testing, the Dyson Gen 5 Detect stands out with its powerful suction, smart features, and gentle handling on hardwood floors. If you want the best performance, this one's the winner.